Chris here with another cool product from Fatal Mentality Designs. This is their MP3 Looper. I want to make a shout out to Eric G. He sent this one out for us to check out, and I'm pretty impressed by it. It is a tiny little device. I have big hands, just to give you a reference. There's an ink pen. So, tiny little device that loops MP3s off of a micro SD card. It's very simple. You plug in USB power using the provided cable, headphone out, and a micro SD card preloaded with an MP3, and it loops it seamlessly and endlessly. So I'll set it up here. I have a little SanDisk card. It's 32 gig overkill. It's just what I had. Check out our video linked in the description on micro SD cards. Nowadays, you're probably going to end up with an 8 or 16 gig card for one of these, just because it's economy of scale. They don't make 1 and 2 gig cards in any large number nowadays, so they actually cost more than an 8 or 16 might. Next step, we're going to plug in our mini USB. Not the micro like a lot of phones use. This is kind of the older generation USB, but it's also a little bit bigger, and just a nice positive lock there. And then we're going to hook up our headphone line. Don't mind the background noise there. We have quite a bit of a storm coming through. It's that big snowmageddon, so it's a little windy here. So that's it. It is hooked up and ready to go. I'm going to provide it power. I'm going to use a standard phone charger block here, plugged in an extension cord. However, you could use a battery bank or anything of the nature, just as long as you have decent current USB power. And there you go. About 1 second for the audio to pick up and start looping. Power it down. And again, I'll plug it in right now. And that quickly, your audio starts, and it's really seamless. That's a little audio loop I made. It might sound familiar for any Blackout fans out there. If you're out there, glad you're listening. But this is a really simple little device. It comes all pre-assembled from, again, Fatal Mentality Designs. This is great to power if you use PC speakers in a haunt in a scene, or if you have powered speakers that you can adapt. You can get headphone to RCA, headphone to XLR, or even if you have a bigger audio system and you just want an easy way to loop to it, you can also change your audio out easily. Again, with it powered down, which it is right now. Take your card out, toss it in a laptop, upload new music, pop it in, and it's good to go that quick and easy. Nice seamless looping, and so far I'm pretty impressed by it. So you can check it out, the FM MP3 Looper at fatalmentality.com. It's just a wonderful, simple little device. There's no adjustable volume. You can't change tracks. You can't change modes. So basically, it's actor-proof. Not to be mean, but we all know what I mean there is suddenly a scene's too loud, it's too quiet, or you walk into a scene and their own music's playing, not yours. This is just a simple way to loop your music, loop it clean, have that awesome MP3 quality, and it's simple. Hope this helps.